Hello everyone, welcome to our 120th Cotton Fair online trade show. I'm your host Ilya. I came from Hebei Giant Metal Technology Limited Company. Our company is located in the hometown of the wire mesh in China, Anping County, Hebei Province. Welcome to visit us. And we are very professional in the wire mesh. We have so many kinds of fence, such as triangle bending fence, high security fence, gaping box, T-post, Y-post, chain link fence, and this one, Palisade. Now I will mainly introduce the Palisade to you. The Palisade is very popular in Australia. Now you can see there are two small samples of our Palisade. For this one, the color is black, and on the behind the color is very colorful. You can see there are so many kinds of colors such as blue, green, yellow, green, red. And the angle area the color is white, and the post the color is green. So it's very beautiful. For the surface treatment of the Palisade for this one is PVC coated. So if the surface treatment is PVC coated, then there's no MOQ for the colors. So many kinds of colors are available for you. You also can choose this one. It's just all of it is black. Now let's see the post. For the post, you can see this one, the type is like a H, so we call it H post. And on the bottom, there's a square base. For the post, the size we can do is 55 by 100 millimeters. And the next one is 74 by 120 millimeters. And for the post height, if you don't need the base, then the post height should be longer than the panel is 500 millimeters. And on the behind, you can see this one. The post is a square post. For this one, the post is a square post. If you choose the square post, then the size you can choose is 40 millimeters by 40 millimeters, and 60 by 60, 70 by 70, even 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters is available for you. On the top, you can see this one is an anti-ring cap. It's a metal. We welded it with the post, then powder it. So the powder is very well. You can see this one, the shape like a W, so we call it W section. The shape like a W, so we call it W section. And now let's see this one. The section like a D, so we call it D section. If you choose the section like the D section, the thickness is from 0.5 millimeters. If you choose the W section, then the thickness is 2.5 millimeters and 3 millimeters. Even you can choose is 3.5 millimeters. And if you choose this one, the D section, then you can choose the thickness is 2 millimeters or 2.5 or 3 millimeters. Even you can change the D or W to the angle area. We also can use the angle iron welded, fixed with the angle iron. And for the Palisade, the common size for the vise is 2.75 millimeter. And you also can choose the width is 1.2 or 1.5, 2 meter, 2.5, even 3 meter. And for the height of the Palisade, you can choose from 1.5 or 1.8, 2 meter, or even 3 meter. And for the post, the height, if you choose the panel is 3 meter, then the height, if you don't need the base, then the post, the height should be 4 meter, because you should put the post under the ground is 1 meter. And for the top of the Palisade, you can see this one is the triangle top. And we also can do another, it's just single top. You also can choose is square top. And you also can choose is semicircle top. And for the surface treatment of the Palisade, for this one, the small sample is PVC coated, and you also can choose another is hot dip galvanized. For the packing, we always can put the panel on the wooden pallet or the metal pallet, or if you choose it in bulk, it's also okay. Now let's see the horizontal tube is an angle iron. For the angle iron, the size you can choose is 45 mm by 45 mm, then the thickness is 4.5 mm. If you choose the size is 40 by 40, then the thickness is 5 mm. And even you can choose the size is 45 by 45 mm, then the thickness is 5 mm. And for the angle iron, the color you can choose is like this one is black, and it's white, and this one is black. And then let's see the link mode of the Palisade. It's a special design. For the H post, we use a special link mode to fix the angle iron with the H post. For the link mode, the shape like a L, so we can call it L link mode. And for the square post, the link mode is also a special clamp. We use the screws to fix the angle iron with the square post. Okay, now the introduce of the Palisade is finished. And now I finished the introduce of the small sample, then I will show you the progress of the Palisade. Okay, now I finished the introduce of the Palisade. Thank you for your coming. Bye bye.